Welcome to Blackjack Special.
What's up, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, Blackjack Special, back with another video for you guys. So yeah, for today's video, it's gonna be a good video. Hopefully everything goes smooth. We actually got the fuel pump, so about to go install the fuel pump. Hopefully we can get that done and then take the car for a test drive and we'll get some good news. So, but yeah, let's just get into the video. You know what it is. Hey guys, so here's the fuel pump. Seal right here. Okay, let's put that down. You see the pump right here. All right. Okay, guys. So get to the pump. It's under the back seat here. Okay, so to remove the seat, just got to pull up on this in the middle here. See if I can. Okay, so now this one. So the pump will be, yeah guys, so this is where the fuel pump is. I believe this is the fuel pump sensor on this side. So we're gonna be on this side here. First we gotta twist these guys, bring them all in line here, and then we can take the cover off. There's kind of like a flat in there too. You can use a flat. So let's try a flat, or you can always use your needle nose. Right there. And it shows you which way to turn. There's an arrow right there. Show you which way you should turn it. So clockwise. Okay. Boom. Okay, let's see. Oh, so as you can see here, clip. So gotta remove that clip. Push down. Ow! Right, so we got the cover off now. Take this guy out. Okay, so here, remove this guy. Okay, so just gotta squeeze this right here. Squeeze. These two go in, and then you can pull it out. So, yeah. Dusty as fuck around this thing. Wish I had like a fucking vacuum, kind of like suck up all this dust. Yeah, guys, just removed the last screw, and it pretty much just popped out. So I'm just gonna try and leave this off to the side here, and we can remove this top piece right here. We're just gonna put it over here with the screws. Okay, I know it's kind of dark in here, I apologize. And then we're gonna try and get the pump out right now. My help right there, you guys should be able to see. Okay, a lot of fucking gas in this mother sucker. Time. So tilt this guy like this. Ugh. Okay. Oh, there's another clip on here. Oh, another clip on here we gotta remove, guys. Old pump here. Try not to drop anything in there. We're gonna go drain this thing out, put it off to the side, and we're gonna bring the new one. Okay, so this is the old pump. Just pulled out. Yeah. Gonna grab the new pump and just make sure everything's pretty much the same. So here's our new pump. Okay, gonna try and line everything up same way so we can just put this thing in. Same thing. This just looks a little different here. This is missing like this piece right here. So maybe we'll take this piece, see if it fits in there. Yeah, this looks a little bit different, guys, but not like huge, you know, not a huge difference. So this piece just goes in like that. And this piece is gonna be going in there. Okay. Remember, guys, I'm not a pro. First time doing this, right? So it's gonna take me longer. As you can see, guys, so this one's a little bit, goes in a little bit different direction. See, this one goes up like this way, whereas this one goes on this side, but just up like this. Same thing though, right? I think that's it. This one did have like a little cover over here, and this one didn't come with a cover. Checking the box again, there's nothing else that came in the box, so this one could come off very easy. So I don't know why this doesn't have like a cover. That's really weird. Problem now, guys, is I don't know if I could put this thing in, right? Because it's missing the cover. I might put it in and then boom, look how easy it is to come up. This thing moves a couple times, it falls out. Fuck, like I'm gonna have some problems, right? So I don't know if I should put it in. Okay, guys, this is what I did. I'm not telling anyone to do this. I don't recommend doing what I just did here. So it didn't come with a cover, like I was saying. So I actually put something in, like add a piece of like plastic onto this, the metal like pin that goes in. Metal pin that goes in to turn it, so it sits in there a lot tighter, right? So it won't come out as easy. That's all I did, because I don't have the cover and I'm ready to put this shit in. I'm gonna put this piece here back on. It goes on here. So this thing is a little bit different here, guys. This one is not the same as the old one. Fuck. Problem, guys, is this pump is not the same as the other one. This little connector piece here is not the same. Okay, it's the other one's a lot shorter and wider, where this thing could clip in. So this one's a little different. I'm gonna try it and see. Worst case, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to order a different pump, or you know, message these guys and figure this shit out. But as of right now, I want to get this fucking thing in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push this thing up as tight here so it stays in here. I don't think this is that crucial. As long as it's in here, I think it should be fine. So I'm also gonna put a tie wrap right under here to prevent this thing from okay. So that's pretty sturdy right there, so I won't move. Okay, look, my tank is low. Okay. For a second there I was like, where's the connector? Let's get this cover on here. Kind of keep this thing from moving too much. So take this piece off, and this piece is supposed to go in like this. But let's see if we can put this thing in here. What was this again? We have to squeeze this to get it off. So let's push this in like this and see if this should help. Good, nice little click right there. We got this in here, guys. You can see, right? It's in there. We're just gonna put this piece back in now, and then twist these guys back, and then we're gonna test this thing and see if it worked. Should have had another set of hands. This guy would just go in like this. Click, just like that. This guy will line up like this, and you can use a Phillip too, or a flat, right? Just twist it like that. Twist it like this. Twist it. Twist it. Okay, so that's it, guys. The pump is in. Okay, guys, so we got the pump in. All right. We're gonna now see if that worked, or if we, we gotta fucking open it again and reinstall the pump, or we're gonna have to figure something else out. Okay, guys, something I did notice though. Now my car is saying it's on empty, and I'm pretty sure it had like at least a quarter tank or something last time. I should have checked that before I took it apart, the pump, but I don't think that's right. Now it's saying 0 miles, right? So something's wrong. So we might have to go back and remove it. So guys, car is running, but we fucked something up because engine light's on right now. So just want to test it and see, check it and see what the engine light's about. So seeing now we got that code, we know something's up with that level now, that fuel level sensor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go take the car outside, park it on the street, and see if I can pop that out and remove that kind of plastic that I put in there to try and keep it on, and see if I can put it in there like that and hope it doesn't fall out. So yeah, guys, so I got that fuel sensor problem now, which because I changed out the fuel pump and it's not the right pump, it seems like, because everything doesn't really match up. But as I'm letting the car sit for a bit, as I usually do, I can hear it trying to struggle again here. Like it's struggling. It's about to do that stall out on me again. So, I don't know. Yeah, guys, so go back to the car, start the car again. Ugh, getting fucking tired of this car now, to be honest. Guys, yeah, this is not going good today. We put the pump in, it's not exactly the same. I thought it would work. But yeah, the car starts up actually right away. I was able to drive the car out here. So, I guess it is working, but it's not, I don't know. Right? And also the car is still doing the same shit it was doing with the rough idler, and sounds like it's ready to fucking break. So I don't know what the fuck is going on. Obviously, if the pump was exactly the same, we probably won't be having any issues. I'll put the pump in, I'll be like, okay, boom. If it's still doing it, I guess it's not the pump then. But the fact that I got a code now, the engine light came on and it's saying something to do with the sensor, tells me that the pump is not the right pump. So the thing is now is I don't know what the problem is right now still, right? It could be the fuel pump still, or it could just be a different issue, right? I have no idea what's going on. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video right here. Didn't go as planned, but it is what it is. So probably gonna try and look into it, run it by a professional, see what they say, and then we might have to either try and swap out the actual motor in the assembly and swap that out and use the old assembly, or I might just have to order a different pump and try and get a actual proper pump that actually everything lines up properly. You know what I mean? The car was still doing a little weird thing like it was doing last time. So I don't know what's going on with this car, man. I'm really tired of fucking around with this thing. But yeah, that's the thing. When you're not a professional, you try and do a lot of things yourself. You run into problems. Maybe I should have just looked at the pump and say, hey, you know, it's not the right. I mean, it looks exactly the same except for a few little things that are different, like I showed you guys there. You know what I mean? So I thought it would work. I don't know if the pump does work, but I am getting a code saying the sensor, high sensor or something. I put the code up here. So I know there's something now with the pump because I didn't get that code what the old pump was in. So, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Maybe the pump is fine. Maybe the old pump is fine and it's just something else, a different issue. I don't know. Hope this video does help in some way, you know. If you want to do your fuel pump yourself, I showed you guys how to do it. You know, you just remove the seat, you know, remove those screws, blah, blah, blah. If you have the whole assembly, boom, just pretty much put it in, you're good to go. But yeah, fuck, man, this car stresses me out so much, man, so much. I'm gonna have to keep trying. I'm gonna look into those things we just talked about and try again. You know, I'll catch you guys in another video. All right, peace, one love, stay safe out there. All right, guys, stay blessed.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't